Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can disable the sleep mode in MacBook OS, or if you want to delay the duration of it, you can also do that. So let's start. So first of all, what you need to do, you have to open the settings. If you want to open the settings from here, you can also do that, or if you want to open the launchpad, you can also do that. So I'm going to click on this. So as you can see here, now we have to search for the lock screen. So I'm going to search for the lock screen. So let's click on this, and now it will be opened. So as you can see, here are the options: required password, when password should be required. And as you can see, after immediately, if you want to delay the 5 seconds or 1 minute or 5 minutes or 15 minutes, 1 hour or 8 hour, it's up to you. So here you have to select the duration that after sleep or screensaver begins. So you need to select the duration. And after that, if you want to change the password, you have to click on this and the password will be changed. And some other settings are provided here, like the file vault and firewall and the privacy, and all options are provided here. If you want to use them, and you can also use them. So in this way you can change the your lock screen setting. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can lock your screen and when, if you want to change the duration, and how you can change the duration as well. So see you guys in the next video.